Oh, howdy there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Remember when we did the Hell, Michigan ride and Bodine 52 took us out riding dirt roads and windmills and all that stuff, and I wanted to go under a windmill. Well, you see that up there in the distance? Yeah, I don't know. I do not know if we will be able to get directly up to it. But it looks like there's construction vehicles up there. Right? There's construction vehicles there. So let's just go give it a shot. Right? See how close we can get. See if we can get the windmill. Maybe. Maybe not. Nope, we're not gonna get it. This is as close as we'll get. Is it a fail or is it a success? What do you guys think? Yeah. I don't know. I don't want to get in trouble for walking out there. And I know that dirt looks awful soft. And the bike would sink. So I don't have anybody with me to help me push the bike out. So I don't think it's a real good idea. But I do think we'll keep an eye on this location, and perhaps in the future we might be able to get to it. But at the same time, the windmill's not spinning. So if it ain't spinning, it ain't producing. Right? I don't know. They're neat to look at and have up. But that's the closest one to me. It's about an hour away from me, probably. But I just remembered seeing that on the way back from Hell, Michigan. I didn't stop and look at it. And then on our little camping trip with the McStashes, when I was riding out to meet them, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stop and see on the way back if we might be able to pull up to that one. But nope. The risk isn't worth the reward, folks. So, hey, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, ride fast, live slow, and we will see you all on the next one.